you guys can display first 15 natural numbers. So let's get started. So firstly, as usual, you need to start up your QBASIC program by typing CLS command, that stands for clear screen, and then you need to use for next loop to display first 15 natural numbers. So type in for and suppose one of the variable, I suppose I, is equals to 1 to 15 from 1 to 15 step 1. Okay, after then type in print and type the variable which you have supposed. After then end up this for loop using next command and type in I. After then close the program by typing an end. After then click on F5, and yes, you can see here the 15 natural numbers. So guys, you have learned now how you guys can display first 15th natural numbers. So hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. Please subscribe, share and comment my video. Thank you guys for watching.